Hey guys, welcome to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. So I usually do pretty basic makeup and then sometimes some fun eye makeup, and I've definitely gotten into like wet liners and stuff like that. But something I've never done, at least not on my channel and not a whole lot in real life, is like face paint, like doing face paint makeup. As you guys may already know, I have the Meron Paradise makeup palette, and it's like professional grade face paints. And I really want to do some fun Valentine's Day makeup. I see so many people doing so many creative, fun, like full face, I don't even know what you call it, but just like really fun makeup, and I really want to do that. If you guys can see this, probably not. But while I was at work, I came up with an idea, and so the plan is to do like a heart on my whole face and paint it in pink and then like decorate on the inside of it. I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna go. But if you guys want to see how it turns out and what the process is like for me, then just keep watching this video. What I've seen, the first step usually is like laminating down the eyebrows so that they are not a problem. I'm about to stab myself in the eye. So a long time ago I bought this Elmer's glue because I thought I was gonna start doing stuff like this, and I didn't. Okay, and that should dry down clear. Okay, so to match my shirt, I think I kind of want to go in with dark pink. I think that's going to be like my best bet, and then maybe like highlight with light pink. I'm going to take a white eyeliner and like trace where I want the heart to be. I need to come out further. Ooh. The worst looking heart I've ever seen in my life. Okay, so I don't really have any paint brushes, but I do have this like foundation Animal Crossing brush. I'm just using water because I'll be using way too much of my setting spray if I try to use that. Oh my god. We're going for it, guys. I should probably brush up at my brows. I will say it probably will be coming off as soon as I'm done. I am just kind of like not being super particular about it because like this is supposed to be, you know, fun makeup. So I am just kind of like, this is just the base, and then I'm gonna go back over it, and we are gonna try and do some like fun makeup inside of this. Okay, I'm gonna wait on this to dry, and I'm gonna go back over it with a second coat. Okay, so we're a heart now. I would like to try and use the light pink to like do some highlighting, possibly. I think maybe I'm gonna use this brush. Oh no, oh no, or should I say, oh noes. We're just having a good old time, I don't know. I'm thinking it may be in my best interest to try and do some eyeshadow. I've got some eyeshadow here, and I think I'm gonna try and pack on some like pinks and reds eyeshadow just to kind of like set my eyelids. Okay, so what I had in mind was to do like some red hearts inside and like maybe some white clouds. I don't really know if the white clouds make much sense, but I am gonna like put up some like light pink and red, maybe in white hearts around my face. I also like cannot seem to draw hearts today. Or yesterday. Like, like this does not look like a heart at all. It looks terrible. I'm really just hopeful this looks good in pictures and it's just like a pictures thing. I look like I have chicken pox. Maybe they're Valentine's Day pox. Maybe that's what I have going on here. Maybe that's what I should call this look. Love sick. I'm genius. I'm going to pull out the Glisten palette because it has a much lighter pink in it. I think maybe I'm going to do like these bigger hearts and maybe like a bunch of like little hearts like around the eye or something. That is probably the best heart I've drawn. Wow. Now going in with white. Also, I switched back to the Meron palette for this just because it's thicker and I thought the white would actually show up a little bit better. I didn't think I was going to be like so nervous about this, but I am so nervous. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but I wasn't trying to put a heart there. This probably would have been better had I had like a heart stamp or something and just like stamped it instead of hand drawing every single one of these hearts because they all look terrible. Okay, I'm gonna go back over the pink and white hearts and we'll be back. Now I'm gonna add like a bunch of tiny ones around my eyes. For the really small ones, you basically just need to draw like a little V. I'm sure it's obvious now that this is not my forte. Now I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the outer part of my makeup and come back, and I want to add like a lace outline, you know, that like lace liner. I want to try and do that all along the outside of this. Yeah, I mean, I think this is gonna work exactly how I wanted it to. It was just like, oh no, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. Going back into the Glisten palette for this one, no pressure, no pressure. I've never successfully done this lace thing. So I'm gonna start with just like a bunch of half circles. Okay, I have finished that part. Now I'm gonna do like the little dots, which is like one dot in the center and then like a few dots on the outside. I know I think you're supposed to do like a bunch of little circles on the outside, but I do not have time for that. I don't know if this looks good or not. I'm gonna do lipstick and liner and lashes, and then I think this makeup look is done. It's finished. What do we think? I think it looks creepy when I open my eyes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was fun to watch, and I hope that this washes off, but who knows? Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I would greatly appreciate that. I post new videos every Wednesday or Thursday, and I post shorts Monday through Friday. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!